Movie Maker tool details. Movie Maker tools are software programs that enable users to create, edit, and publish videos. These tools provide an easy and user-friendly interface to make video editing accessible to everyone, even those without professional video editing experience. Here are some details about Movie Maker tools. 1. Features. Movie Maker tools offer a wide range of features such as video trimming, adding music, sound effects, voiceovers, text overlays, transitions, and special effects. 2. Compatibility. Movie Maker tools are compatible with different file formats and can handle videos from different devices like smartphones, digital cameras, and drones. 3. User interface. The interface of Movie Maker tools is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. 3. It usually has a timeline where users can drag and drop their media files and add effects and transitions. 4. Exporting. Once the video is edited, Movie Maker tools allow users to export their videos in different formats and resolutions suitable for various platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Vimeo. 5. Free versus paid. Movie Maker tools can be free or paid. 5. Free Movie Maker tools usually have limited features, while paid ones have more advanced features and options. 6. Online versus offline. Some Movie Maker tools are online, meaning that users can edit their videos through a web browser without downloading any software. 6. Offline Movie Maker tools require users to download and install the software on their devices. 7. Popular Movie Maker tools. Some popular Movie Maker tools include iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, Windows Movie Maker, Final Cut Pro, and Filmora. Movie Maker tools are a great way to create and edit videos for personal or professional use. They offer an easy-to-use interface, a range of features, and compatibility with different devices and file formats. Movie Maker editing. Movie Maker is a simple video editing software that allows you to create and edit videos. Here are the basic steps to editing a video using Movie Maker. 1. Open Movie Maker and click on Add Videos and Photos to import your video footage. 2. Drag and drop your video clips into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. 3. Use the editing tools to trim your clips and adjust the length of your video. 4. Add music, sound effects, or voiceovers to your video by clicking on Add Music or Add Narration in the Home tab. 5. Add visual effects to your video by clicking on Visual Effects in the Home tab. 6. Use the text tools to add captions or titles to your video by clicking on Caption or Title in the Home tab. 7. Use the transition tools to add transition effects between your clips by clicking on Transition in the Home tab. 8. Preview your video and make any necessary changes. 9. Click on Save Movie to save your video to your computer. Note: this is a general guide to using Movie Maker, and the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of Movie Maker you are using. Movie Maker tools. There are many different Movie Maker tools available, ranging from simple and free online tools to professional-grade software. Here are some popular options. 1. iMovie. This is a free video editing software for Mac users. 1. It has a simple interface and is great for beginners. 2. Windows Movie Maker. This is a free video editing software for Windows users. 2. It's a basic tool but has all the necessary features for creating simple videos. 3. Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a professional-grade video editing software that is used by many filmmakers and YouTubers. 3. It's a bit complex, but it offers a wide range of features and tools. 4. Final Cut Pro. This is another professional-grade video editing software that is used by many filmmakers. 4. It's a bit more expensive than Premiere Pro, but it's very powerful and has a more user-friendly interface. 5. Blender. This is a free and open-source 3D animation and video editing software. 5. It's a bit more complex than the other options, but it offers a wide range of features and tools for creating complex animations and videos. 6. Filmora. This is a beginner-friendly video editing software that offers many basic and advanced features. 6. It's available for both Windows and Mac users. 7. DaVinci Resolve. This is a professional-grade video editing software that is free to download. 7. It offers a wide range of features and tools for both video editing and color grading. These are just a few of the many Movie Maker tools available. When choosing a tool, consider your skill level, the features you need, and your budget. Can I download Windows Movie Maker for free? Unfortunately, Microsoft no longer supports Windows Movie Maker, and it is no longer available for download from their official website. However, you may be able to find a copy of the software on third-party websites or through file-sharing services. Please note that downloading software from unofficial sources can be risky and may result in malware or viruses on your computer. Additionally, third-party versions of the software may not be updated or secure, and may not work properly on your computer. It is always recommended to use legitimate and up-to-date software from reputable sources. Can I download Movie Maker for Windows 7? Yes, you can download Windows Movie Maker for Windows 7 from Microsoft's official website. However, please note that Microsoft no longer supports Movie Maker, and the software has not been updated since 2012. If you encounter any issues with the software, Microsoft will not provide any technical support. Can I download Windows Movie Maker for Windows 10? Unfortunately, Microsoft no longer offers Windows Movie Maker for download or supports it. It was officially discontinued in January 2017. However, there are several alternative video editing software programs available that you can use on Windows 10, including 1. OpenShot, 2. Shotcut, 3. Filmora, 4. VSDC Free Video Editor, 5. Lightworks. These software programs offer similar features to Windows Movie Maker and are compatible with Windows 10. How to download free Movie Maker for Windows 7? There are several free Movie Maker options available for Windows 7, such as Windows Movie Maker. It's a free video editing software developed by Microsoft, which is no longer available for download on Microsoft's official website, but you can still find it on some third-party websites. Here's a link to download Windows Movie Maker. https://www.minitool.com/download-windows-movie-maker.html. OpenShot. It's an open-source and free video editor that you can download and use on Windows 7. Here's a link to download OpenShot. https://www.openshot.org/download/. Shotcut. It's a free, open-source video editor with a lot of advanced features. You can download Shotcut from their official website. https://shotcut.org/download/. To download any of these software, simply click on the link provided and follow the instructions on the website to download and install the Movie Maker on your Windows 7 computer. How to install Movie Maker? Movie Maker is a video editing software that was developed by Microsoft. Unfortunately, it is no longer supported or available for download from Microsoft. However, there are still some ways to install Movie Maker on your computer. Check if it's already installed. If you have a Windows 7 or Windows 8 operating system, Movie Maker may already be installed on your computer. You can search for it in the Start menu or check the list of installed programs in the Control panel. Download from a third-party website. You can try downloading Movie Maker from a third-party website such as Softonic or FileHippo. However, be cautious when downloading from third-party sites, as they may contain viruses or malware. Use a Windows Essentials installer. You can use an older version of the Windows Essentials installer to install Movie Maker. This installer includes other applications such as Windows Live Mail and Messenger, but you can choose to only install Movie Maker. You can find this installer on sites like Softonic or FileHippo. It's important to note that since Movie Maker is no longer supported, it may not work properly on newer operating systems or may have compatibility issues with newer video formats. You may want to consider using a different video editing software that is currently supported and regularly updated. How do I install Movie Maker on my PC? Unfortunately, Microsoft no longer supports the Windows Movie Maker application. However, you can still download and install it from third-party websites. Here are the steps to install Movie Maker on your PC. Search for Windows Movie Maker Download in your preferred search engine. Select a trusted third-party website that offers the Movie Maker application for download. Be cautious when downloading software from third-party websites as they may contain malware or viruses. Once you have found a reliable website, click on the download link to start the download process. After the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Movie Maker on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to launch the application from the Windows Start menu or desktop shortcut. Note, as Movie Maker is no longer supported by Microsoft, it may not be compatible with the latest versions of Windows. Additionally, there are many alternative video editing software options available that you may want to consider as well.